Hi. So we're at this time where the planets are going to align, and this is not something that's happened since 2004. It won't happen again until 2040. And more planets are aligning at this point than any other time. When planets align spiritually, it is considered a time of heightened cosmic energy, often interpreted as a window for increased personal growth and spiritual awakening, and a potential for significant transformation, where individuals may experience heightened intuition, clarity, and a deeper connection to the universe, making it an opportune moment for reflection, intention setting, and spiritual practices like meditation and ritual work. On a spiritual level, enhanced energy flow, a moment where energies of different planets combine, creating a potent force that one can harvest for positive change. There's greater awareness that people may experience, a heightened sense of intuition and awareness of one's inner self and the world around us. Manifestation potential, which is often considered ideal for setting intentions and manifesting desired outcomes. During alignment, the cosmic energy is seen as more receptive. Collective impact, well, there is, where the planetary alignments can influence not only individuals, but also the collective consciousness of humanity. To fully benefit, it is important to actively engage with the energy through introspection and intentional practices. Again, from the scientific community, their standpoint is that the alignment of planets does not have a direct physical impact on Earth or humanity, but the concept holds significant meaning in astrology and spiritual traditions. We at the Abundance Alchemy, we incorporate both. Where one lacks, the other picks up. There's neuroscience and then there's spirituality. Sometimes the neuroscience isn't there, but the spirituality is, and sometimes the neuroscience is there and the spirituality doesn't get it. Do you align spiritually? Do you believe that neuroscience can bring you to a higher self? I'd love to hear your comments, and I'd love to see you. Come see us at the Abundance Alchemy, and we can work on both the neuroscience of transformation and the spiritual aspect of manifestation. I'd love to hear your comments.